Hello everyone, you can see I'm in a templates where I'm fixing the templates issues that might gonna lead him into the spam box later on. That's why I'm fixing all the templates and mail copy according to the mails and Gmails and Outlook policy. So you can see that this entire template need to be fixed. So even after having well enough mail deliverabilities and DNS setups, your mail can lead to the spam box if your mail templates and copy not properly done yet. So there are different kind of mails, different kind of setup way that it's done. So I need to fix all of them. So I previously fixed these entire folders, and there are almost 4 branches, so I need to fix all of them, and that's how it will go. Previously I fixed the mail deliverabilities and DNS setups, and now it's look fine. And we need to work on every single template that makes sure it works. And it doesn't mean after seeing my videos you are able to fix yourselves. Different kind of mails have different kind of things. We need to fix all of them and make sure all work functionally perfect. So that's the whole thing. If you need this kind of help in your GoHighLevel setups, and we can see the dim mark, so it's already perfectly done. So if you need any kind of setup like this, hit me up, and a link on bio, hit me up. I will fix your mails. I will not only able to do the GoHighLevel's mail setups, fixings, all the stuff. I also can do entire parts like this entire apps looks, everything like awesome. So have a great day and stay safe. Bye.